Someone asked me how to reattach this spring right here on this tape tying machine. I've never had mine come off, but it looks like to me the big end, it's got an end that's round, fits over that little shiny thing right there. And the top end has got a little hook on it, and it hooks over that right there. You can see where it hooks over it. So that should get you. Now, you know, you're going to need a pair of needle nose pliers probably to get it up in there. A screwdriver, small screwdriver to help. You know, it's not going to be easy. And be careful, because if it slips, that spring is going to go flying and you'll never see it again. So, but it looks like it'd be easy to put in with the right tools. Again, needle nose pliers at the very least, probably a screwdriver. And once you get it in, you'll hook that up like that and be back in business. That spring, all it does is put the tension here, your spring for this right here. So I think that's the way you do it. I've never had mine come out, and I'm not going to take mine out just to show you, but it looks like it'd be pretty easy. Hope that helps you.